Every year, Mother's Day, known as
La Festa della Mamma
in Italian, falls on the second Sunday in May in most countries across the world, including Italy, the United States, Canada, and Australia. It marks a special time honoring all kinds of mothers, from birth mothers
mamme biologiche,
and grandmothers
nonne,
to adoptive mothers
mamme adottive,
and mother figures.
figure materne.
The way you'd normally translate the phrase Happy Mother's Day in Italian is
Buona Festa della Mamma.
a possible alternative greeting substitutes buona with
Felice.
which means happy.
Felice Festa della Mamma.
Happy Mother's Day. If you're planning to write your mother a greeting card,
Biglietto di auguri.
email, or text in Italian, why not consider including some of the following greetings in your message?
Tanti auguri, mamma.
Best wishes, Mom.
Ti voglio bene, mamma.
I love you, Mom.
Alla mamma migliore del mondo.
To the best mom in the world.
Sei una mamma adorabile.
You're a lovely mom. You could also surprise her with an unexpected gift,
Regalo,
such as a bouquet of flowers,
fiori,
chocolates,
cioccolatini,
jewelry,
gioielli,
or a bottle of wine.
vino. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.